Top 10 golf courses in China. China boasts some stunning golf courses that cater to both casual and professional players. Here are some of the top-rated ones. Kunming Spring City Lake and Golf Resort, known as Asian Golf Paradise. It offers breathtaking views and challenging terrain. Mission Hills Golf Club, Shenzhen, the largest golf course in Asia, featuring 12 championship courses. Beijing Rainwood Pine Valley Golf Club, designed by Jack Nicklaus, blending scenic beauty with a challenging layout. Beijing Isles Golf Course features a mix of grassland and forest lake styles. Yangtze River Golf Course, Zhongshan, located in a scenic tourist area with stunning river and mountain views. Spring City Lake and Golf Resort, Kunming offers both mountain and lake courses with a temperate climate. Pine Valley Golf Resort and Country Club, an exclusive by invitation-only club with world-class facilities. Shankin Bay Golf Club, a unique course built in a rugged coastal landscape. Xishan International Golf Club, Shanghai, a blend of Chinese tradition and modern golf design. Shanghai Links Golf and Country Club, a private Jack Nicklaus designed course near the Yangtze River. Each of these courses offers a unique golfing experience, whether it's scenic landscapes, challenging holes, or luxurious amenities.